What is going on, guys, and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to be bringing you something incredible. Okay, before we get into it, disclaimer, I'm not a financial advisor. I do this for education purposes only. I do it so we can hang out, make cool videos like this, and especially ones that I'm about to show you where it could actually save you your whole crypto portfolio. All right, let's get straight into it. So guys, have you got crypto on an online exchange? Of course you have. I know we always say put it on a hard wallet, put it on a cold wallet, things like that. All right, get it on a loop, get it on something that is not connecting it to an exchange. For example, Coinbase, Binance. You know why? Because Coinbase might be filing for bankruptcy very, very soon. All right, by the time you've watched this, they might have already filed for bankruptcy. What that means is your crypto's gone. Unless you've put it into a hard drive or a hard wallet, a cold wallet, things like that, it's gone. All right, now the problem with putting it onto a drive or keeping it in your own cold wallet, yes, it's secure, but you can't make passive income. All right, so there's things we want to do. We want to have our crypto secure. We want to have it in our own wallet where no one else can take it, no matter if you go bankrupt, no matter if you steal it. And we also want to have it making us money. Now, what if I told you I found somewhere that can do that? You'd be interested, right? Let's get through to the end of this video. I'm going to start sharing my screen and show you Cake Defi. Something is going to blow your mind. Let's go. Okay, guys, we did it again. CakeDefi.com. I found that platform that you can actually do this on, right? Look at the cool imagery. That's not just the best bit. I'm going to dive in right now. So an overview of the website. We've got the all products, the freezer, referral, VIP, learn, FAQ, and transparency. We've got login and sign up. Now I'm going to tell you how you can actually get a bonus by signing up right now, or you can just scan this QR code, get the app, and do it that way, all right? Now, let's dive straight in. So, guys, why is this different to Coinbase, Binance, things like that? I'm going to tell you why. When you're on Coinbase, let's use that for an example because they might be filing for bankruptcy. When you're on Coinbase, any debt, any problem, if they file for bankruptcy, they are going to use your crypto to pay them debts because officially they own it, all right? They actually have it in storage. They own that and they can use that. It's within the law to do it. Now, with Cake DeFi, why is this different? They actually segregate everybody's crypto, okay, and use their own assets for their own income, okay? So you've got your crypto segregated that cannot be touched. Whether they go bankrupt, whether they go bust, that is yours. It's yours for life, cannot be touched. And they have their own. So if they struggle on their own, if something happens, they have to go bankrupt, that's their own crypto to pay for it. They are legally not allowed to dip into your crypto and use that. So already ours is secure, right? Again, they have 5 different ways of making money on here, like 5 really good ways of making money, staking, things like that, which we'll get into. And it's an incredible company. I'm using this more and more every day. And I please urge all our members, all our viewers to urge this every day. The links are going to be down below, and I'm going to talk about how you can actually get a really nice bonus. So if you actually want to refer a friend here, you're going to start earning a passive income. This is number 1, all right? So you can get your referral code once you've signed up. Get 1% on your referral investments for all coins paid weekly, okay? Get my referral code. It's going to be super easy to do it. And you could literally make a YouTube video. You could do anything and just pass this out and make a lot of money. All right, it's really easy. You get unlimited weekly payments and you can track your referrals. On sign up, even just you sign up right now, there's a $30 bonus going on. So get amongst that. It's free money, guys. You can see here, this number 1, which is obviously for security reasons, handy that, $283,000 US. I'm not saying that wrong. Look, even just for 20 referrals, this man's got $109,000. Okay, it's not about how many you can get, it's how much they put in. So just share this as you are a friend and you might make some serious money. Okay, now let's have a look at how they're doing. So they have over 1 million user base already. Okay, over 300 million US paid out in rewards. Like I said, you're gonna get $30 for free when you make a first time investment of $50 or more, just by clicking that sign up button. Okay, the links are gonna be down below. Please do not worry. It's powered by Decentralized Finance, so obviously it's DeFi. Okay, they've got state-of-the-art security, earn high returns on crypto assets, industry-leading blockchain and operational. Get started in 3 simple steps. You literally sign up, get verified. It takes minutes. I did it. By the time I spoke from the start of this video to now, you will be verified, okay? And add funds and deposit in crypto or buy them with your preferred payment. Allocate your coins and watch the rewards roll in. Very, very easy to use. We've got the liquidity mining, which is another way of making an income. Okay, up to 36.8% yearly return. Find me a bank that will pay you that. There isn't one. Okay, we got staking, help secure blockchains and earn rewards, up to 28.4% returns. Find me a bank that will pay you that. There isn't one. Lending, guaranteed returns from lending your crypto assets, up to 6.5% yearly returns, just for lending. Find me a bank that will give you that. I'm not going to make any facts. There might be a bank that might give you 6.5%, but I doubt it. If there is, let me know in the comments. I'm pretty sure there's not, and I'm sticking with my guns. Now you can earn returns on your favorite coins. We've got BTC, BCH, LTC, Doge, everything, all right? You can scroll across, see them all. Dash is one of my favorite on there. And like it says, a friendly community. Okay, so learn and earn crypto. Earn up to $10 in crypto while building your knowledge. So you get $10 just for learning. What do you want to learn about? What is API? What is APR? Get on there, okay? And they've got all their trusted partners. Banks, BitGo, DeFi, SFA, all the big ones that you need, okay? Transact. And at the bottom, they've got everything you need. All of their social media, all the links will be down below as well. Now, guys, DeFi launches $100 million in venture capital arm, right? That's massive. Okay, the article that I read this from was in 2022. It was March the 9th. So it read, Cake DeFi launched Cake DeFi Ventures. It's $100 million venture. Arm committed to accelerating the growth of tech firms with a focus of investing in Web3 gaming and fintech startups. So we know where they're headed, all right? The ventures has marked $100 million for investments over the next 2 years and deploys first investments in US-based media startup, The Edge of Company Incorporated. Okay, more information is going to come along, but I just wanted to get that on your radar, okay? We know where they're going, and we know what direction they're going to take. Now, guys, I want to get into, like, maybe the top 4, top 5 biggest reasons why I'm telling you to get KDeFi. Now, number 1, we've talked about it, okay? Security of funds. Now, I'm worried about my funds in Coinbase, in Binance. I've got a lot everywhere else, and I've got some in my storage wallet. Now, I do get worried. It would be very nice to have this in one place where it's going to be safe. And I do believe that using KDeFi after all this time and seeing their vision, it is that. So number 1 is keeping it safe, all right? If you've just seen that, if you are following me on this video and you're seeing their website, you know it's safe, it looks good. Okay, the platform is good. So I do recommend it for the safety. Okay, to go a little bit more into this, look at this. It's blog.cakedefi.com and with the /. The link will be down below, okay? So do you really own your crypto? I keep going on about it. I want you to know. So if they go bankrupt, you will, okay? If you actually look on page 84 of its recent earnings report with the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commissions, one of the biggest crypto exchanges, specified in the event of the company declaring bankruptcy, the crypto assets we hold in custody on behalf of our customers could be subject to the bankruptcy proceedings. Okay, in effect, the users will become generally unsecured creditors, and that will have no right to claim any specific property from the exchange in proceedings. Moreover, their funds would become inaccessible. Okay, now this article is, we dive into this because it's the importance of looking beyond the user interface of your favorite crypto platforms. Okay, so what I'm reading out is what Coinbase do, what Binance do, what everything like that does, all right? As a crypto service provider and a crypto investor ourselves, they strongly express their belief that your customers should never be put in this predicament. So they never want you to be put in this. For us to distinguish against the customer funds and company funds is elementary. What that means is their number 1, the reason this company is built is to purposely do that, and they believe, and as you can see from this tweet here from U-Zyn, Chua, okay, at Cake DeFi, all 100% of user funds are accounted for. We do not operate fractionally, nor do we mingle user funds with operations funds. All funds fully segregated, okay? All crypto platforms must be run this way. There's no other way. There is no other way, okay? We have to do this. Now, guys, going back into the way you're actually earning, so let's explore them one by one. So we've got the liquidity mining, which we talked about. Okay, once you click on that, you're going to see you've got all your pairs here. So, for example, we got USDT DeFi, okay? And the primary token price is $1. All you got to do is add liquidity or swap it, okay? You can just click these at any point, and you can get in with your favorite pairs, all right? Going back, we're going to have a look at the next one. So the next one is staking. So if you click explore staking, you can obviously do your own research and get more depth into this. I'm just showing you the basics. Okay, you can browse the coins you want and you can stake. So we've got DeFi here. Do I want to stake it? Yes. Do I want to unstake it and take my rewards? Yes. We can do it with Dash. Obviously, the ones that we've got here, the Mastodon status, we've got them on. So right now you can do it with them too. And you can do much, much more. Okay, just click learn more and have a look. And the next one, we got the lending section. The lending section is probably one of my favorites because if you've got Bitcoin and it's just been sitting there for a long time, you can actually lend it out and earn up to 5% just from lending, right? And be assured that your crypto is safe because it's on DeFi, which is why we're talking about it. So this is the lending, all right? And the other way, obviously, using your referrals like we spoke about, get amongst that. So guys, that's why I wanted to bring it to you. I love this project. It's incredible. It's going to keep you safe. It's going to make you loads of money, right? Please tune into the next video that I'm about to make because if you want to actually sign up and use the application to get in here, right, I'm going to talk about this on the next video, the whole application process. But the links are down below. So if you do want to just run ahead and you know how to do this, click that link down below and get amongst it. Okay, this is the best way. If you love this video, please, please, please hit the like button. If you think I have just brought you the greatest video there is, hit the subscribe. Please hit the bell to be notified when I've got it again. And until the next video, which is going to be the application process for getting involved here, have a very blessed day.